See, this is your watch. I guess I'll press this button to start since it seems like the only button there. Okay. Oh, I see this is your welcome page. VK. Oh, it directly moves on to allowing me to set my location. It seems quite useful. I'll click Malaysia for now. I can manually set the date and time, but I'll just switch it to auto since that's easier and more convenient for me. Moving on, let's see. Oh, the time is already set. I want to see the other features. So I have step counter, heart rate, driving mode setting, emergency, and power off. It seems. I'll click on driving mode for now. Oh, it seems that you've changed the voltage settings before I couldn't control it. But one problem I found was when I set it to 0 voltage, it gives a small vibration, which I do not prefer because the small vibration is not enough to jolt me into anything. I prefer if the vibration was harder or if it gave me some sort of loud music, because I do not prefer the shock at all, and I do not have any intentions of using the shock mode, but would prefer a higher vibration. Moving back to the home screen, I'll go back up and I will check the heart rate. What I found aesthetically pleasing about this heart rate monitor was the pulse setting. The pulse setting allows me to do my cardio more better, as the pulse sign allows me to keep my heart rate up, and it makes me feel like I'm doing more work. I'm gonna go back to the main screen. Now I'll move on to my step counter. As I move to the step counter, I see my steps for today. What I like is it gives me a goal, which is higher than my usual, and allows me to walk more than my usual and do more cardio. Moving back to the main screen, I'll go back up and then I'll go to settings. And then this allows me to set the GMT, which is quite useful since I travel a lot to different locations, so it will be easier to change the time. Seems it has a Bluetooth function, and then the heart rate alarm. Oh, and I can set my step goals here, it seems. What was amazing was this sport mode, which allowed me to remove my step counter, allowing me to do my actual movement without interfering with the steps. And it also disabled the heart rate alarm, so that if my heart rate went too low or too high, it wouldn't affect me that much and I wouldn't get any vibrations or shocks.